a clothes update. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you should check out all my socials linked below. Anyways, I just want to say that there's a new clothes update, so remember to check that out. But anyways, today I'll be showing you quickly our vacation house. So for starters, here is the island area. I think it's adorable. There is a ocean. Then over here we have the yoga mats in a basket. There's also workout equipment, so that's super cool. Then we have the area where we just kind of eat our dinner or whatever. So over here is the entrance of the house. I think it's adorable. There's not really much to it, so let's move along. So here is Ren's area. There's just a crib and a changing table because obviously me and Chase needed our own space as well. Okay, so here's our room. I think it's super cute. It's super simple as well. However, this is a vacation house, so we didn't do too much. Here is Paige's side of the kids' room. It is definitely super Paige. Over here in the outside area, there's some more storage because obviously the kids need somewhere to put their clothes. And over here is the twins' bunk beds. I think this was essential, and it's super cute and simple and definitely gender neutral. Okay, so lastly, this is the last room. It's the bathroom. It's pretty cute, very vacation-y-esque, and honestly, I love this room a lot, so that's that. So, okay, I know today's video is very short, but that's the end of today's video. Remember to check out the clothes update, and I apologize today's video is so short. It is literally 1 in the morning when I am doing this, so I'm sorry. Anyway, shout out to the person on the screen. Comment a butterfly if you watched this part. Bye, Tocas!